Okay, hello everyone. I want to show you a quick project I worked on in the past few days. Just 1 second to get it started. Okay, the project uses artificial intelligence to detect finger spelling, as you may know. 1 second, let me start with trying to type a message. That's W, okay, E, L, okay, C, O, M, perfect, and E. Okay, and I added OK for space. So as you can see, there are a lot of signs here. That's C, O, okay. The tough one are N, this one is M, so that's a slight difference between N and M. This one is T, E, okay, B, for example. What else? That's Y, I guess. Okay, so as you may know, 1 second, these are the letters in the finger spelling. Most of them has quite subtle differences, so it's not an easy task to make a difference between them. What I use is artificial intelligence, most exactly convolutional neural networks, to train a data set to detect and make to detect these characters. So as you can see on the right, the first step is to extract the skin from my hand to make it easier to remove the background. And then I'm using a convolutional neural network to predict what sign I'm showing here. You can find the link in the description. I explained there all the process, and I hope you will enjoy it.